feeling tense or stuck, let's shake off stress and ignite your inner power with lion's breath, a yogic technique that releases tension, clears stagnant energy, and leaves you feeling refreshed. All it takes is your breath and a little roar. Let's begin. You can either sit in a seated position with your legs crossed, or you can come to a kneeling position for lion's pose. Place your hands over your knees or thighs, spreading your fingers like lion's claws. To do lion's breath, inhale through your nose, stick your tongue out as far as you can, and roar from your belly. You can gaze up at your eyebrow center as you do this breathing exercise. Let's do this breathing exercise together. Inhale, tongue out, exhale. Inhale, tongue out, exhale. Inhale, tongue out, exhale. Now continue at your own pace for the next few minutes. Now return to your natural breath and a seated position. Notice how your body feels. Maybe you feel more confident or powerful like a lion. Thank you for joining me, Kevin, in this practice. Subscribe to my channel, Mayura, and I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.